And here she comes. Yesterday I could get up there and turn down that road about 500 metres. Today I got to about there about 3 hours ago, and now here it is. You can see how fast it's going too. So, oh, fuck this. So all that is moving towards my joint that way. Fucking hell. I just noticed kangaroos coming out of the bush. They're heading inland too. Alright, I've got to go. Look at this. The fucking rivers come. This is part of town. Oh shit, we're in trouble now. A new levee bank to protect the town. Another part of town anyway. Unbelievable.